Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok, right? So let's go into the TikTok mobile application and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok, okay? And here we will click on the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner. And after that, as you know that we get the option to select our age when we are making our ID, but by mistakenly you have changed your date of birth. You can just fix it the way I will show you, right? You have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to go to the setting and privacy. You have to scroll a little bit and you have to come to the section of support and about, and after that you have to click on report a problem, okay? And it will take you to a new page, so just wait for a few seconds till it load. And after that you have to click on account and profile, which is the first option, okay? And here you have to click on the editing profile, okay? This you have to click on drop down menu and you have to select the last option, which is other. That's it. It will take you to a new page, and here you have to click on no and click on need more help. And after that, this is very important because this is where you have to explain your problem in a very easy manner, and you have to write it that I have by mistakenly changed my or selected my date of birth, so I want to change it right now. So after that you will do, they will send you a link in your email address, and after that you can change from that link your date of birth, right? So this is pretty easy guys. You can add a photo or a video if you want to, so that it can just give a more confirmation to the service of TikTok. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.